Hi, good evening on a Sunday evening. And I'm Arshia Seth, a consciousness coach and an author, and a money coach and a business coach, and a lot of other things that I do. And you probably know most of you by through my profile. So here I am on yet another live with consciousness bites to live light. And what is the bite that I want to give today? Well, I want to give you a bite of how your interesting choices, yes, there is no good or bad choice, but just interesting choices, how your interesting choices actually carve your children's future, how it carves your child's future, how it can shape your child's future. And all of that is actually goes as a process in the upbringing of the child. So I often say this to people, instead of trying to control your children. Hi Kanika, so good to see you here. Hi Mikosha. Hi, thank you for being here. So I often say to people, if you want your child to be making better choices, it starts with you. If you want your child to grow and move in the right direction, according to this reality, the right direction, that your child actually choose things that you would like your child to choose in terms of good health, in terms of, having the peace within himself or herself, having a good career and success, all of those choices, you as an adult can start making better choices so that you set an example for your child. Yes, we all know that adults are the role model for children, isn't it? So when you make the choices that are empowering, when you make the choices that are actually bringing good vibes, good energy for you, your child just sees that, observes that, and actually take all of that as a way of living. There is no manual to life, we all know that. So then how do we teach our children how to live life and how to live a fulfilling life? Now, fulfilling life necessarily does not mean having too much money. Fulfilling money is one component to it. But being successful and having lots of money does not necessarily mean having a fulfilling life. A life which is wholesome, where you have peace, joy, happiness, for no reason, no external factor, is a wholesome, fulfilling life. Now you can impart this, you can give this as a gift to your child, and believe me, your child will be very, very thankful for you. Besides all the materialistic possessions that you want to leave as a legacy for your child, your sound mental health, your sound emotional health is the greatest gift that you can leave behind for your child, and your child will thank you even after you're gone. Believe me, that's what it means today. Hi Altaf, hi Alchemy, thank you for being here. When you see a lot of adults struggling with the joy coming from within, with the peace of mind, all of that struggle, when you see all of those issues that show up in today's life, are actually rooted somewhere in the early childhood. Hi Resham, good to have you here. So everything that you see is a struggle in your life, whether it is in regards with money, relationships, especially health and body. Somewhere all of those repressed, suppressed, unprocessed emotions, not very sound mental health, the unmet needs in the childhood becomes the root cause of everything that is showing up in the adult life. And I've seen so many examples in my practice, so many clients who actually, sometimes the clients are two or three family members simultaneously taking therapy sessions, because all of them, adult is struggling, the younger one is struggling, the child is struggling, and the parent is struggling too. So then this brings me to that what is most required thing here, especially in today's time, is a sound mental emotional health. If you are in good space, if you know how to manage your emotions well, if you know how to take care of yourself mentally and emotionally, physically you will be taken care of automatically. So when you see yourself in that space, that you are good, you are happy, not because of any external factors, please consider that you are doing some work, you are doing some self-help work. You can probably read a lot of self-help books if that helps you, or if in a situation where those books are also not helping you, please seek professional help. In today's time, there is so much exposure to everything in life, especially social media. There's a lot of information out there, but there is also a lot of things which are not a contribution to a human life, especially children. So if you want your children to make better choices, that would carve a good future for them, that would carve a fulfilling, wholesome future for them, you need to start with yourself first. You need to start to make better choices for you. And your child, you will not even have to force your child. Your child will just follow you, because it runs in the space. It is you and your child share the same space, right? You live in the same house. So when you become this vibrational force, when you become this vibrational energy of joy and happiness, with no reason, not because of something external, just the pure bliss and joy brimming from inside, the child at a very young age begins to learn that yes, it is possible to be happy even with less money. And then when you have that joy with less money, you also inculcate the ability to create more money. But money brings joy is not the contributing factor. The money brings joy. So then I know of a lot of people who have lots of money, who are literally probably chasing money, making good money, and yet they have health related issues, yet they are not happy in their life. So it's always joy that brings money and everything that you desire. It's not the other way around. With this, I want to share this insight of mine, that the healthy mind and the healthy emotional state is the greatest gift that you can give to your child. Because when your child doesn't see you struggling with things, especially emotionally, there are very few fights happening at home, there are very few altercations, there is no friction happening, the child knows that yes, a harmonious environment is possible. Most children who have grown to be an adult, say in their 20s or teenagers, they haven't seen a functional environment. Most of them are coming from dysfunctional space, this dysfunctional family space and environment. And so they don't know, they have only seen their parents struggling in relationship in regards to other things in life, and so that's what they have decided, this is how life is. Well, life is not like that. So if you want that healthy environment for your child, you need to choose it for yourself first. And for that, like I said, start with self-help books if that helps you. There are a lot of meditations out there. So I have started recording Vigyan Bhairav Tantra meditations, and you can find it on my Spotify account. We will share the link of Spotify in the message, and even on the YouTube. So you can find the YouTube and the Spotify links in the message in the comment section, and just explore for yourself if the meditation works for you. Probably this is where you can start. So meditation is again not possible for everyone, because there are a lot of thoughts running when a few people have tried to meditate, although that's not true for everyone. So if you think meditation works for you and you just need little cue and little edge, a little nudge, probably explore with Vigyan Bhairav Tantra meditations that I have started recording, and the first episode is out there already on Spotify and YouTube. And today, yes, that's the tool, and the biggest tool that I've given today is choose your mental health. Choose good, healthy mental state and emotional state, and that would be the greatest gift that you can give to your child. So like I said, this is Consciousness Bites to Live Light. This was my consciousness bite today, and I hope it contributed something to you. It brought some insight to you. For more of such consciousness bites that can actually contribute to better living in your life, maybe you can write in the comment section what you would like to hear from me. And my backend has already shared the Spotify link of Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. Please go explore for yourself, and the YouTube link would also be shared, and just listen to that and do share in the comment section if it contributed, because that would be a motivation for me to make more such videos, to upload more such audios and meditation stuff that will actually contribute to your mental well-being, your physical well-being and your emotional well-being. Both the links are shared there. Thank you, Dr. Rahul. And I will see you next Sunday, 9:30 p.m. same time. Since these are bites, these are not going to be very long. They're going to be somewhere between 15 to 20 minutes, so that you have that crispness of the bites and you don't get bored and log out. So if you're going to be watching this later, I wish you a blissful Monday and a great start of the week from tomorrow. It's always about blissful Mondays and never the Monday blues. So all of those Monday blues, everything that brings up Monday blues for you and you dread going to the work or office or school, please know this is what is your creation, and you can change it. You can change the energy so that you have the enthusiasm at your workplace, at school, at home, anywhere that you are. So what is the tool that you can use? Well, the tool is, what would it take for me to have a great start of my week? What would it take for me to have a great start of my week, starting from every Monday? Hi Mamta, so good to see you here. So, okay, would you like to be on the live? Do you have any question, Mamta? Since you have requested to be on the live, if there is any question and if I feel it's valid question, I would take you on the live. Would you like to put in your question? I'll wait for say about a minute or maybe half a minute. If you have a valid question, you can put it in the comment section. You can put a question there. If you would like to ask me something, if you would like to share something with me, I can take you on the live. So please, can you share it in the comment first? Okay. I am waiting for you to share if there is something that you would like to bring up. I am about consciousness. Hi Divakar, so good to have you here. So on every Sunday we do this Consciousness Bites to Live Light, which is all about your mental, physical, emotional well-being and your mind, body and spirit. Wholesome mind, body, spirit is what contributes to your well-being on the planet. So if you have joined late, please watch this live, and you can also go to the Spotify and YouTube to experience the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra meditation. We are soon going to come up with the second meditation, and then we are also coming up with the membership. So do let us know, how did you find the meditation? Did it help you? Did it help you calm down? Did it help you having a better sleep? Please do share with us in the comments section. Have a Monday bliss. Have a great week starting from today, and I wish you good health, good, Mamta, it is shared. If you just scroll up, the link is shared in the comment section for Spotify and for YouTube, where Vigyan Bhairav Tantra meditation is mentioned. If you scroll up, you'll find the link there in the comment section. Okay, thank you Mamta for asking that, and I will see you all next week. How does it get any better than this? Well, that's one tool. Anytime. Okay, so I was about to end the live, and then maybe something prompted to share this tool. Anytime you feel that you are like in a very bad situation, unpleasant situation, you're just not liking, things are not going your way. Or you could be in the high zone of your life where you're really vibrating well, you're happy, you're joyous. In either of the situation, good or bad, best or worst, this tool is something which you can use on everyday basis. And the tool is, how does it get any better than this? Whether you're on top of something, you're top of the sky and you're very happy, ask, how does it get any better than this? Things will only get better from there. Or if you're in the lowest of the dips in your life, still ask, how does it get any better than this? You will only come up. In either of the situation, good or bad, you will only go up. This is the way to ask universe to show you something better than what you already have. So it is an ask to the universe. And you can make this ask every day. How does it get any better than this? Links are shared in the comment section. Bye-bye. If there is something you would like me to talk about in the Consciousness Bites, we are here every Sunday, 9:30 p.m. The same time, same place. And I'll see you next Sunday. Have a happy Monday and an awesome week. Bye-bye.